Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the mobile bottom navigation template and explore its contents. To install mobile bottom navigation, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide your users with anchored bottom navigation on mobile, with easy one-handed access to your most useful resources. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Menus section from Admin Home. Locate and select the mobile bottom navigation menu that the template has added. The menu contains 4 items: Home, Search, Tasks, and Support. This is how the menu appears on mobile. There is a limit of 4 items for a mobile menu. The burger menu will appear to the left. The Home item from the sample mobile menu will take you to the home page installed by the homepage template. The Search item will take you to the global search page. The Tasks item will take you to the Tasks page, and Support will take you to the Support page from the Help and Case Management template. Feel free to change these items to fit with your organization's needs. Check out our changes here. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.